welcome to my vlog. I would like to show you my new materials that I bought in Heartland. First, I would like to show you the old brushes that I use. I have so many brushes, but I have special and common brushes that I use. These brushes I use in my portrait. Has a number. There's a number 40 for these brushes for details, for eyes and all the fine lines in the face of portrait. And this is the brushes that I use in for coloring, for skin tone. All of this for background. This is the old brushes that I use. And I bought a special brushes here, a Chinese brush. This brush is only $27. I just bought it. And the other one is $13. The other one is $12. And the cheap one is $8. And the expensive one is $180 for this brush. Why this brush is so expensive? Because it's made from the squirrel fur. Yeah, this is why it's so expensive, $180. It costs my almost the price of my 12 pages of hot press paper. This hot press paper is $203. And this is also cold press, 180. So this special paper I use for my portrait. This hot press is for my portrait, and the cold press is for my still life. And then for other small job, small drawing in this paper. So most of my paper brand is $1 only. And I bought these pieces of color. I can change once the color is run out. I can take out and then change like this. Change to this one. So it replaces the new one if the color is run out. And then this color, it cost me $17. Ivory black, burnt umber, and orange. But this one is special color. It cost me $53 each. So I bought two. So $53. So it's quite expensive because try cherry color. So that's all my material I bought today, and this all material I use for my portrait. That's why those material are very special and very expensive, because I need to make a good portrait and a good artwork. So that's why I need to buy those special materials. And you learn something from my material and my brushes. And I think I will end this vlog, and we'll see you next time. Bye.